Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Application Phase and Organization Learning, which comes under the fourth module of Information Systems and Knowledge Management. This lecture is meant for Semester 5 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss Knowledge Map. Knowledge Map is a navigational tool for knowledge worker to find where is what and access the knowledge fast for use or for sharing new knowledge. Knowledge Map provides information on centers of expertise in and outside the organization. In case of tacit knowledge identification and capture, it is difficult to verbalize unless it is visualized. One way to visualize is codify the knowledge in a knowledge map. Knowledge map is an equivalent of a site map of website. It helps in quickly identifying and locating experts, knowledge databases and repositories. Knowledge map is a visual representation, not a knowledge database. In simple terms, it is a classified directory of experts, documents, videos, drawings, images, and so on. The design of knowledge sharing program addresses the following issues. First one, what knowledge to share. Second one, with whom to share knowledge. Third one, how will knowledge be shared. Fourth one, will knowledge be shared at all. First one, what knowledge to share. The knowledge sharing program would differ considerably depending on the type of knowledge being shared. Knowledge sharing aims at making available various types of knowledge in the form required by the users. The tools, techniques, methods, and technology would be very different depending on what is proposed to be shared, know how best or good practices or knowledge of clients or customers or competitive intelligence or knowledge of processes. Second one, with whom to share knowledge. One of the major decisions concerns the intended beneficiaries of the knowledge sharing system. Knowledge sharing programs may aim at sharing with either an internal or an external audience. Internal knowledge sharing programs typically aim at making the existing business work better, faster, or cheaper. External knowledge sharing possesses greater risk than internal sharing programs, raising complex issues of confidentiality, copyright, and in the case of the private sector, the protection of proprietary assets, but it may also offer greater potential benefits. Third one, how will knowledge be shared? There needs to be a consensus within the organization as to the principal channels by which knowledge would be shared, whether face to face, by telephone, fax, email, collaborative tools, or the web, or some combination of the above. It is important not to ignore face to face communication, since this is still the best and the highest quality to transfer knowledge between individuals. Many organizations have also found that communities of practice cannot be successfully launched and sustained unless there is face to face contact. Fourth one, will knowledge be shared? In large organizations, discussions of knowledge strategy, knowledge sharing can go on for long periods without ever coming to conclusion. In the end, communicating the decision of knowledge sharing explicitly throughout the organization is a key step in launching a knowledge sharing strategy. An explicit decision is critical because knowledge management typically involves a shift from a vertical hierarchical mode of operation to a horizontal boundary crossing mode of operation. Such a shift is unlikely to occur on a sustained basis unless there is an explicit decision at the very top of the organization that it should occur. In this lecture, we have discussed the knowledge map. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.